Hi everybody, I am so excited today because guess what? I've got a new book coming up and it's different. It's not a cookbook this time. 4 years ago I made the most amazing decision to go raw vegan, and my journey has taught me so many things, and I've decided that I would like to share them and write a makeover book. So it's a 30-day program and you learn every day how to take care of yourself and your body. In a second I'll show you the program so you know what it's about, and there are free samples on rawmunchies.org/VBM. Launch date is 14th of June. It's very exciting, it's almost there. And yeah, let's go see the program. On week 1 we're going to kick off with eyebrows, relaxation, skin, sleep, hair and self-love. On week 2, we're going to do nails, teeth, wrinkles, safe cosmetics, stress, and connecting to nature. On week 3, rest, dancing, clothes, food combinations, cleanse and detox. On week 4, you're going to make your own blend of essential oils, do your makeup, fasting, healing herbs, and a vegan celebration with vegan sushi. And of course, you have the interview with Dr. Morse as part of the detox learning. You'll have recommendations for expert resources telling you where you can get more information, and 13 recipes. All the samples are already ready on rawmunchies.org/VBM. If you want to follow me and you want to know what I do, what I eat, what types of recipes I'm making, what my detox is like, my books, I have a newsletter and I'm going to link it below. So I'll see you there.